Welcome to this tutorial on raw strings and triple-quoted strings in Kotlin. In this video, you'll master how to work with multi-line text without the need for escaping special characters. This is an essential skill that will make your code cleaner and more readable. Raw strings in Kotlin are special strings enclosed in triple quotes. That's 3 double quote characters at the beginning and 3 at the end. The key advantage is that they preserve all characters exactly as you write them, including backslashes, newlines, and quotes. You don't need to escape anything inside a raw string. Raw strings offer 4 major benefits. First, no escape sequences are needed, making your code simpler. Second, they're perfect for multi-line text where you need to preserve formatting. Third, they're ideal for embedding code snippets from other languages. And fourth, they preserve formatting exactly as you type it, including whitespace and line breaks. Let's look at the basic syntax. You declare a variable using val or var, then assign it a string that starts with 3 double quotes. Inside, you can write multiple lines of text naturally. No need for \n for new lines. The string ends with another 3 double quotes. Everything in between is preserved exactly as written. Here's a practical comparison. With regular strings, if you want to write a Windows file path, you need to escape every backslash by doubling it. So C:\users \name becomes C:\users \name. But with raw strings, you simply write C:\users name with single backslashes. No escaping required. The great news is that string interpolation still works inside raw strings. You can use the $sign to insert variable values. For simple variables, just use $sign followed by the variable name. For expressions, use $sign with curly braces. This lets you combine the power of raw strings with dynamic content. When working with raw strings, you'll often use the trimIndent method. This is extremely useful because it removes the common leading whitespace from each line. This means you can indent your raw string nicely in your code for readability, and trimIndent will clean it up at runtime. Just call .trimIndent parentheses after the closing triple quotes. Raw strings excel in 4 common scenarios. First, file paths, especially on Windows where backslashes are common. Second, regular expressions, which often contain special characters that would otherwise need escaping. Third, embedded data like JSON or XML, where quotes and special characters are frequent. And fourth, multi-line SQL queries, where readability is important. In all these cases, raw strings make your code much cleaner and easier to maintain.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.